Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2001 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom runs well. It's been upgraded with handlebar risers, a FRANKENSTEIN Trike kit, S&S Super E-carburetor, black mirrors, FRANKENSTEIN primary cover, an S&S Stage 1 intake, progressive rear shocks, Vance Hines exhaust, rider floorboards, and a shuff lever kit. Comfort, power, and timeless style have kept the Sportster models popular for decades. Powered by a 1200cc V-twin motor, the Sportster puts 58 horsepower and 64 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 540 pounds and has a 27.5-inch seat height. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Sportster will need a belt guard. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.